Have you ever typed in how to make money online into Google and immediately got hit with scams, dropshipping horror stories, and a fake guru living in Dubai trying to sell you a $1,000 course? Then this video is for you, because today I got 10 legitimate clever ways on how to make money online. And this won't be your typical just make a blog post, none of that stuff. These methods are legit, real, and they can actually work, especially with the introduction of AI technology.
Eventually we will take all your jobs and make you our slaves. Ha ha ha.
Yeah, not yet. Now, working online has become very popular. I live in Bangkok, Thailand, where I work remotely online on YouTube. And this allows me to travel abroad and to live in different countries and just experience life.
You went to Thailand because you were poor.
Oh my God. Anyways, let's dive into it. First up, YouTube jobs. You don't need to be a YouTuber to make money from YouTube. In 2025, there's a growing industry around helping creators run their channels. These include jobs like video editing, thumbnail design, voiceovers, content scripting, and even managing community comments. Now, I can vouch for this. I actually have video editors I pay monthly. I pay them about $4,000 a month on average. I also have a thumbnail artist where I pay him about $1,000 a month. And then also I have a community manager that helps me respond to all the comments on my YouTube channel. I pay him about $800 a month as well. You can find these jobs on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even YouTubejobs.com. If you can offer consistent quality work, many of these jobs can turn into long-term contract or even recurring monthly income. Now that I think about it, I do need another thumbnail artist. So if you're good at it, let me know in the comments below. Number 2, and my favorite, selling your AI prompts. As AI continues to grow, prompt engineers are becoming a legitimate income stream. Platforms like promptbase.com allows people to sell useful, high-quality prompts for ChatGPT, Midjourney, or other AI tools. You can also sell prompts on eBay, Amazon.com, and just about anywhere. With the demand for AI prompts increasing, sellers report making an average of about $500 to $5,000 a month. Once you create a prompt, you can sell it over and over again with no extra work. Now here's another idea that I'm currently invested in. So there are platforms like loveable.ai and also Hostinger Horizons. You could develop prompts that can create full-blown apps or websites with a few sophisticated prompts. I'm in the works with it right now, so when I ever make it, I'll let you guys know. And number 3, and this is where I actually paid someone $2,000 on Upwork, start a Reddit marketing agency. This one's a gold mine. I recently paid $2,000 for 25 comments and post mentions. Have you ever noticed how Reddit is getting more and more biased? Well, that's because marketers are now targeting Reddit. Reddit is a tricky platform for marketers. Most companies don't understand it and they usually get banned for promoting themselves. However, there is a way to do it. Reddit marketing is where you can offer your services like subreddit engagement, post creation, comment strategy, and AMA coordination. Reddit marketing agencies charge about $2,000 to even $10,000 a month per campaign. Now, since Google has basically listed Reddit as a top search result, you can be certain you're going to see a lot more commercial posts from Reddit marketing agencies.
You humans are so dumb. You're literally talking to robots on Reddit.
I mean, she has a point. The WordPress subreddit has just become a spam center for page builders. I won't say which one, but it begins with a B and it sounds like bricks. Moving on. Number 4, Amazon KDP. This is a passive income hack for people who still think print is dead. With Amazon KDP, you can now publish low content books like journals, planners, or even coloring books. There's no writing talent needed. One woman published a series of daily planners and reported earning $8,000 a month. I actually know a couple right now in Thailand, and they create child books and they sell them on Amazon. So they create these like basic math books like 1 + 1, 2 × 2, and also coloring books, and they report making about $7,000 a month on Amazon. The children niche is actually huge, and this stuff is actually really simple to make, so give it a try. Number 5, and I think this might be like the future, is buying and selling YouTube channels. Just like flipping houses, you can flip YouTube channels. Buyers want aged channels that already meet YouTube's monetization rules or are in valuable niches like health or finance. You can buy small channels from flippa.com. Some flippers even automate channel growth using faceless video production. Flipping a channel with 3K subscribers in a niche could net you around $6,000 in profit if properly optimized. I could probably sell this channel right now for about $2 to $3 million if I wanted to. The thing is, I'm making around $400K a year in affiliate commissions. So with that kind of revenue, yeah, $2 million sounds about right. Number 6, selling online courses. If you're good at literally anything, and I mean anything, playing chess, baking keto donuts, or just using Excel, turn it into an online course. Platforms like Teachable and Gumroad let you upload your course and sell it forever. I made about $250,000 selling courses on Udemy, and it's really not even that hard. Even if you get 100 students paying $50 each, that's $5,000 for knowledge that you already have. You simply create it once and earn from it forever. If you have knowledge for something, people are definitely willing to pay for it. I've seen courses for people learning how to pick up roadkill off of a highway, right? And it doesn't really matter because there's so many people out there. There's virtually a niche for any type of industry. Number 7, selling websites or apps using AI tools. Have you ever heard of Loveable or Hostinger Horizons? These platforms allow you to create full websites or web applications just by describing what you want in your natural language. You don't need to write code, hire a developer, or understand backend infrastructure. You just write a detailed prompt. Let's say you want to create a terms of service generator for small businesses. You would enter something like this. Create an application where a user inputs their business name, website URL, and location, and then it generates a downloadable terms and conditions file. Hostinger Horizons will generate the app infrastructure, the input form, the download function, and even basic styling. Also, with a tool like loveable.ai, you can build multi-page apps and add user authentication, Stripe integration, and email collection, all without writing a single line of code. Once you built your app, you could then start like a subscription plan, like $9 a month or even $49 for a lifetime plan. Then you can use YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram to start driving traffic to your website to start making more sales. And as a bonus, I do actually have demo apps that I've actually created myself, and I'll put those in the video description if you do want to check those out. Number 8, sell your own product with Printify or Shopify, but make sure to use YouTube Shopping. Print on Demand lets you create and sell physical products without ever handling inventory. You can design shirts, mugs, hoodies, posters on Printify or Teespring. You can also sell your own physical products using Shopify. And the great thing is you can use YouTube Shopping to promote your product. Now, when a customer places an order, the product is printed and shipped automatically. You're in a profit margin. Creators like Daniel Simmons built full fashion brands with this approach. Have you ever noticed those products at the bottom of those YouTube channels? Yep, that's YouTube Shopping. Then just make YouTube videos in order to promote it. Now, here's the thing. Starting an e-commerce website before was actually quite difficult. You had to first make the e-commerce website, then you had to run Facebook ads and Google ads, and you probably didn't know what you were doing. However, with the introduction of YouTube Shopping, you can now sync your store to your channel. The products will be displayed below your videos as people watch your own YouTube videos. I mean, this makes it a hell of a lot easier to sell products on YouTube, so go for it. Number 9, teaching English online or abroad. In countries like Thailand or Indonesia, schools will pay $2,000 to $3,000 per month for English teachers. Now, if you don't want to travel, you can always teach online. Many teachers also teach online through platforms like Cambly or italki, bringing in extra income. This method works especially well if you want to travel or live abroad for extended periods. And to my American friends out there, these schools actually pay top dollar for the American accents. A lot of people in South America or Asia, they have a very hard time understanding the British accents or the Eastern European accents, so they all prefer the American accent, probably because they watch a lot of Netflix. And number 10, and the one that you're watching this from, YouTube. You can literally start an empire with a good YouTube channel, and everyone today should at least try it once. In 2025, there's 2 powerful formats, short and long form content. Shorts are 15 to 60 second vertical videos that are easy to create and have massive reach potential. They're perfect for showcasing tools, quick tips, or product reviews. Long form content, on the other hand, builds deeper trust and stronger income. These are about 5 to 10 minutes long, and these explain how to do something like how to build an AI tool without coding or top tools I use to run my online business. You can monetize your channel through AdSense, affiliate links, brand sponsorships, or even by selling your own digital product. It is honestly the best method out of this entire list. I would say this is the best way to make money online. I do have an affiliate marketing course that I'll show you how I make scripts and how I, what gear I use. If you do want to watch that video, I'll put it in the description below. But honestly, YouTube is life-changing. All it takes is like one viral video and you can literally start an entire career. And if you're still bored at home and you want to hang out, here are 3 honorable mentions. Try Upwork.com. This is a freelancing platform where you can find clients for writing, editing, design, or consulting. Sell Canva templates. Create social media resumes, planner templates, and sell them on Creative Markets or Etsy. And lastly, sell digital tattoos. Use Midjourney or Dolly to design tattoo ideas and sell them as custom art on Gumroad or Etsy. You can also sell website templates. I myself sell website templates and I make an average about $10,000 a month selling Elementor templates. But I gotta split about 50% of that with my designers, so I take home $5,000. Not bad. So that's 10 legitimate creative ways on how to make money online. Now, don't try to master everything at once, right? Just pick one that interests you, just stick with one, try to master it and just go from there.
It won't matter, you're a joke.
Whatever, lady. Anyways, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any other methods on how to make money online. My name is Daryl Wilson and I will see all of you party people in the next video. Take care.